Good evening, friends. Welcome to Gehna Ka Kehna. We are here at the Marriott at the exhibition called Martini Queens, and we have this special guest today called Madhvi Advani. She's come from Delhi. She's a luxury brand consultant and chairperson All India
Ladies
League Social Networking. Just like me, she's also doing so many things, wears many hats. So let's welcome her. Hi, Madhvi.
Hi.
How are you?
Very well.
Tell me,
Gehna?
what brings you to Mumbai?
I'm here for the Martini Queen exhibition, and
Yes.
it's my honor to be here. Pleasure to be here.
The
and
pleasure is ours as well.
Loving it.
Loving it. We've had a fun day today. We've done so many
Yeah,
things.
amazing.
Amazing.
Awesome.
Throw some light on the work that you do in Delhi. And is it a global thing that you do, or are you Delhi based per se?
So I happen to be Delhi based primarily,
Yeah.
but I'm promoting international celebrity wedding designer from Italy called Angelo Garini.
Okay.
So I'm promoting weddings in India as well as from India to Italy.
Okay.
Weddings, vice versa.
What fun.
Yeah, he's an international celebrity wedding designer who's done birthday party for Nicole Kidman, David Guetta's event, Queen of Russia's wedding.
Okay.
So we are looking for some weddings to happen from India by the end of this year.
Okay. So that's what you're doing.
Yes.
Other than that, throw some light on all the luxury branding that you do.
Yeah, so I also promote art in the luxury segment,
Yeah.
real estate,
Yeah.
hospitality.
Okay. So name some artists that you promote or have promoted in
Yeah.
the recent past.
So most like for the long term and the longest, the artist that I have promoted is Aarti Zaveri from Delhi.
Mhm.
She's a renowned artist. Then I have also promoted Krupa Shah, Shobha Jolly, Bani Prasad, Madhuri Bhaduri, who's one of the senior artists from the country.
I like the twist of the name. Okay.
Right, yeah.
Yeah.
Madhuri Bhaduri.
So how did the art connect happen? Are you an artist yourself?
No, I don't happen to be an artist. But then I think, artists are just good in what they do. They're good in their own profession, what they're doing.
Absolutely.
So, but they definitely need somebody who's very well networked, which I happen to be since
Yes.
I'm the India chairperson social networking All
Right.
Ladies League.
Right.
And I think it comes very naturally to me to connect with people.
Right.
So I have those skills, God gift.
Yeah.
And that's how I am able to connect them to the right concerned buyers, collectors, and people that they require for them for promoting their art.
Right.
So I happen to do their visibility, promotion, recognition through various ways.
Okay.
Which is through media, through through social media, press.
And this could be anywhere, not
could
necessarily geographically bound by Delhi.
Not really.
Okay. Okay.
Not only Delhi, and
Okay.
I think I'm here today in Mumbai. I'm promoting Martini
Krupa.
Queens
And
Krupa,
Krupa Shah.
and my sister, who's the best
Yes.
author of 4 books.
Lovely.
So it's been a wonderful day today and an amazing evening with
Yes.
the high-profile crowd of Mumbai turning up. So which is
Have you had your vada pav yet? As soon as Ratika and all my Delhi friends land, the first thing we give them is vada pav and cutting chai.
Yes,
Okay.
I'm planning to soon in the evening.
We'll have it now after the show.
Yep.
Okay, so tell me a little bit more about, let's go back a little, tell us about your childhood or your youth, and you're still youthful, of course. A little bit on that.
Right. So I had my schooling in St. Angela Sophia School, a convent school from Jaipur. Then I went to Maharani's College. I did my honors from there, history honors, and MA in political science.
Okay.
And I was very active as a child from the time I was a small child. I was into a lot of activities, as in, I have been a student's pilot license. So I have flown a power plane, a glider.
I want to do that also. I've been telling my son all this time that I want to at least
Fly
do
high.
it once. Fly high.
Yeah.
I'm already flying high. but I would love to do it. Tell me the experience.
Yeah, so it was like amazing, like every day when you get to take off and land, and there's no fear left in you anymore.
So this was a hobby?
It was more of a hobby actually,
Yeah.
because I was in the NCC, National Cadet Corps. So
Yeah.
I got the opportunity to do this. And then my parents have been very encouraging, and I used to go for a lot of these camping, hiking trips from school and college, which
Okay.
gave me a lot of exposure to different people, different crowd.
Okay.
So it was really a lot of
Very
learning experience.
exhilarating.
Very, very much. And I think that came into me from childhood to be adventurous, fearless.
Yeah.
So that's how
I
I've
believe
been.
you're you are a horse rider as well.
Yes, I used
I've
to.
seen a couple of your pictures.
Yeah, so
Okay.
I've learned horse riding, and I mean, I love riding on the horse,
Yeah, and
flying,
flying.
traveling. Yeah.
So can you still fly if given a vessel?
I might be able to a glider and a power plane, not more than that, because that's what just I did.
Yeah.
So it's something like, cycling you can never forget if you've
Right.
learned once.
Yeah.
Or swimming. If you
Yeah.
know swimming, you know it for life.
Absolutely. And
You know,
some things
so-
are learned forever. You do
so-
not unlearn them.
Yeah, like even flying a kite.
Yeah. Yeah.
So if you know it, you can do it anytime.
True. So then, how did the marriage happen, and was it a love marriage? And a little bit on that
Yeah,
side.
it was an arranged marriage, and my parents were very focused about good education of their children, and anybody who's coming in our family, we would the emphasis would be education.
Right.
So my husband happens to be the gold medalist from Sri Ram College,
Oh,
and
lovely.
then he went for his MBA to Virginia Tech, USA.
Yeah.
He's an investment banker into real estate and hospitality,
Okay.
and
That's how you're also into real estate. Are you assisting him?
not really.
Okay.
I mean, it was just a coincidence that I'm into the real estate. I never thought I will get into this profession.
Yeah.
Though my husband being into that from long.
Yeah.
So it's a completely separate thing. First, art happened. I was
Yeah.
promoting Madhuri Bhaduri,
Yeah.
the renowned artist at the Catriona Penthouse
Okay.
Ambience Group.
Yeah.
So while I was promoting her, the Ambience Group was very impressed with her promotions and how I was doing her visibility
So
recognition.
the ball got rolling.
So it got rolling. Then I got the Ambience offer, and after that, Taj Vivanta.
Yeah.
By
I saw the
Ambassador.
collaboration. I
And-
was online on your journey when the collaboration happened.
All right,
Yeah.
great.
In fact, we met in Delhi. We walked the ramp together.
Yeah.
For
Right,
Anjana Ji.
absolutely. Yes.
Remember?
I do remember
Yeah.
that now. Yeah.
Okay, great. So then all this happened, and then real estate happened by default.
Real estate happened, and then
Followed by-
Taj Vivanta by Ambassador.
Yeah.
That happened, and after that, the Italian wedding thing.
The current.
Yeah,
one.
but everything that was related and connected to luxury and something which was very close to my heart.
Yeah.
So all
Is
these
what you
things,
endorse.
yeah, and I still continue to do that,
Right.
and I'm getting many more offers.
Yeah.
So now is the time that when I have to just say, okay, let me think, give me a few more months, and
Yeah.
then I'll probably have you on board with me.
Right.
So that's how the
So there's a
scenario is.
queue.
There's a queue, and I'm consulting a top interior designer as well from Delhi now,
Yeah.
and there are
What
many
is
more
this
people. This is going to be on interiors basically.
Okay.
So like I'm going to collaborate her with a lot of people from the real estate as well as international.
Okay.
We are going, so
Okay.
we're just working towards it, and the
Okay.
journey has started.
Right.
So let's see how it goes.
Great. I'm getting into interiors myself, but
Wonderful.
that's a topic of another day.
Wow.
Again, it's on queue.
Right.
So we brought it up because you just brought it up.
And then I also have a lot of people from different walks of life, as in, even lawyers, approaching me to promote them, as well as dermatologists, cosmetologists.
Superb.
Because I think everybody
So you
needs
become an
PR.
image consultant as well, of sorts.
Not really image
Okay.
consultant, because I don't look into their image thing or something.
Okay. Okay.
But a brand. It has to be a luxury brand,
Right.
which I have I feel for it and I want to promote it.
Right. And you were talking a little before the camera was on about some children's film.
Yeah, I happen
Please
to be
throw some
director
light on it.
Children's Film Forum with Mr. Sandeep Marva at the Marva Studios.
Okay.
So that's also something very interesting and again very glamorous
Yeah.
to be with the producers, directors, and my son is pursuing theatre. I have done a bit of theatre because of him. Since he was doing it, I was also asked if I could do some role in a play, and that time I had the opportunity and time to do it. So I
But I believe you are
experienced-
from the theatre.
uh,
The gentleman below was.
yeah, it's because of my son I got into it, because
Okay.
he was following it and pursuing it, and
Okay.
because of him I was offered a role.
How lovely. Would you like to
So-
do what you did down for my camera?
Oh,
For the benefit of. You had an air
All right.
hostess's role.
Yeah, I got the role of an air hostess in the play called 75 Not Out,
Not out.
directed by Sarita Vora.
Yeah.
So few lines which I remember, and if you request, I'll say.
Yeah, I'm requesting.
नमस्कार देवियों और सज्जनों, कृपया ध्यान दें, लखनऊ की फ्लाइट देहरादून के लिए रवाना होने वाली है. धन्यवाद. It's like-
So did you have a ball doing
Oh,
this?
it was amazing. I think I have enjoyed every phase of my life from the
Yeah.
time my children were small. I've kind of like lived my life with them and grown up with them in
Yes.
many ways.
Yeah. So from here, where?
See, I am very keen on going more international actually, because I'm very contented with the way that I have been doing in India, the way I'm going about in India.
Right.
But I want to make it like a global world wherein we all can come together and we all can make a difference to the whole world and society
As a
altogether.
whole. So a global village of sorts.
Right. something of
Okay,
that sense.
great,
Yeah.
fantastic. How long are you in Mumbai?
I'm leaving on the 11th, so I'm here today, tomorrow for this exhibition, which is here, the Martini Queen.
Yeah.
I
Talk about
want
it,
to
please.
shop a lot here because there are really a lot of exciting things to shop over here. And it's been a pleasure being in a different city. Thanks to Ratika and Tarun.
Absolutely.
And thanks to Gena for having me on
sweet.
such a lovely show, Gena Ka Kehna.
Oh, sweet.
It's so thrilling and exciting to be in the city
pleasure
like
is
Mumbai.
Lovely. The pleasure is all mine. And the next time
Thank
you're
you.
here, you have a friend. We'll catch up
Yeah.
on Martinis.
Sure.
So thank you. On that
Thank you
note,
so much.
to
Pleasure.
Martinis, Queens, and more, and to my friend Behram Mehta, I'm holding your bottle here. Thank you.
Thank you.